name is C. Goindra Rajulu. I am studying in your college in CSE branch. Today, my topic is two-stroke engine working and IC engine workings. Introduction: two-stroke engine and IC engine working principles. Two-stroke engines are commonly used in small power tools and recreational vehicles. IC compression inclusion engines are widely used in heavy-duty vehicles and industrial applications. Both engines differ in their working cycle and ignition methods. Two-stroke engines basic. Two-stroke engine complete the four-stroke cycle in just two strokes of the piston. The intake, compression, power and exhaust strokes are combined into two movements. These engines are simpler, lighter and compact compared to four-stroke engine. Two-stroke engine working, the intake and compression strokes happened simultaneously and piston moves up compressing the fuel-air mixture. Combustion occurs when the compression mixture is ignited by sparking plug. The power and exhaust strokes takes place as the piston moves down, expelling exhaust gases and driving the crankshaft. Advantages of two-stroke engines. This highly power output due to the more frequently power strokes, simpler design with fewer moving parts, resulting in lower manufacturing costs, lightweight and compact, making them ideal for portable applications. Limitations of two-stroke engines: higher fuel consumption compared to four-stroke engines, increasing emissions due to incomplete combustion, lubrication issues as the fuel and oil and mixed in the engine. This is the diagram of two-stroke engine. This two-stroke engine contains only two strokes, upstroke and downstroke. Whether in upstroke the fuel is taken and in downstroke this burn gas is released. This is various parts of two-stroke engine. IC engines basics. IC engines. Internal combustion engines rely on heat of compression to ignite the fuel-air mixture, also known as diesel engines. They use highly compression ratios to achieve combustion. IC engines are known as for effectivity and durability. Nowadays, we are also using IC engines in our bikes, scooters, etc. IC engines are consumption fuel less than two-stroke engines. These engines are very better to use to us. Internal combustion engines working. The intake stroke draw in air which is then compressed by rising piston. Fuel is injected into a combustion chamber at the end of the compression stroke. The heat generated by compressor ignites the fuel, driving the piston down and providing power. Advantages of IC engines. This higher fuel efficiency due to the compression ignition process, increased torque output, making them suitable for heavy duty applications, longer engine lifespan and lower maintenance requirements. Limitations of IC engines: higher initial costs compared to gasoline engines, lower operations and higher vibration level, limited speed range and slower acceleration compared to a gasoline engines. This is systematic diagram of a four-stroke or internal combustion engines. First stroke, intake the gas, compression stroke, power stroke and finally exhaust stroke. Comparing the two-stroke engine and the IC engine working principle. Two-stroke engines complete the cycle in a two strokes, while IC engine requires four strokes. Two-stroke engines have a similar designs, but IC engines offer better fuel efficiency. Both engines have their own advantages and limited, suitable for different applications. But two-stroke engines are working fast than the four-stroke engines and speed also maintained very high. But these IC engines polluted the environment less than the two-strokes engine. That's why the government also used to tell to use the IC engines in manufacturing of the bikes, cars, various types of vehicles. Conclusion. I conclude that two-stroke engines are simplified, lighter and used in smaller applications. IC engines are more fuel efficiently powerful and commonly used in heavy-duty applications. Understanding the working principles of both engines helps in selecting the appropriate engine for specific needs. Thank you, sir.